two people in the cast of Stranger Things.
Today we're going to try to guess some strange sounds from the 80s.
Yes. Oh, Miss Pac-Man.
Or Mr. Pac-Man.
No, it's Miss Pac-Man.
I'll second that. It's bubblegum. Bubble yum.
Bubblegum doesn't make a sound. It's an elephant's fart.
It's internet dial-up.
That's true. I don't know. Oh, is it just the sounds just keep going?
Oh, well,
That was a whole sound. There was one sound?
it was an internet. It's the internet dialing up.
Okay, that sound more like an elephant fart. Oh,
You know this one.
bling, bling. It's a fairy's kiss.
It's a Nintendo.
No, it's an instant message.
It's
Oh no,
a Game Boy.
It's a Game Boy. Dad coming home.
You wish.
Can you do it? Can you make?
It's kind of like
Cling,
that.
cling, 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 cling. Oh, is it a cash register at the end? No, that's ridiculous. What would the beginning sound be? I don't know. You're old. Do you know?
What did you just say?
So it's a cash register.
Oh, is it one of those? Is it like the claw? It's like a pinball machine.
Yeah. It's this.
No
Oh,
way.
it's the Stranger Things theme song. So, how many sounds did you recognize?